Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Australian counterpart Scott Morrison will hold the second India-Australia Virtual Summit on Monday to lay the way forward on new initiatives and enhance cooperation in a diverse range of sectors between the two countries. The summit follows the historic first virtual summit in June 2020, when the relationship was elevated to a comprehensive strategic partnership. During the upcoming virtual summit, the leaders will take stock of progress made on various initiatives under the comprehensive strategic partnership. The leaders are expected to commit to closer cooperation in trade, critical minerals, migration and mobility, and education, among others, the Ministry of External Affairs said in a press statement. The India-Australia Comprehensive Strategic Partnership has maintained the momentum of an upward trajectory, with both countries continuing to collaborate closely, despite the COVID-19 pandemic, in wide-ranging areas including science and technology, defense, cyber-critical and strategic materials, water resource management, as well as public administration and governance. On Friday, Morrison had underlined that the strong bilateral relationship between the two countries is based on a shared vision of an open, inclusive, and resilient Indo-Pacific.